brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on.
Welcome to BBQ Today we're grilling up some steak, bacon, and sea scallop sub at the pit. And it's real easy to do. All right, direct from the Handzee Pit Chapter in Ontario, Canada. This is how you get it done. You're gonna need some steak for this recipe, some fresh sea scallop. You're gonna need some green onion, some cheese. Here he's got some ground beef. You got some fresh bacon. You got some SPG and maple sugar rub. And you're gonna need some wood skewers, provided by Mother Nature herself. Now let's put it together. So here Handzee's got some fresh sea scallop. Oh, God made them good, right? And he's gonna wrap them in some bacon, pork belly bacon. And then he'll take Mother Nature's skewer and load them on. Oh, nothing like kicking back, enjoying the good things in life, open fire, and having yourself a cold one. Good living don't get any better than this. Now, Handzee's gonna cook the bacon till just the way he likes it. Keep turning that skewer. Oh, you get them perfect. Whoa. All right, now, back to the ground beef. That's about a pound of ground beef right there. So he's gonna split it in two pieces, right, to make it easy to cook. And he's gonna put on some SPG and some of that maple sugar rub. Now, you can use what you want. That's Pitmaster privilege, but you gotta check this out. This is some good eating at the pit. He'll do the same with the steak. Man, said before, this looks good enough to eat already. And for some of us it is. All right, now, gonna spread some butter. Add some more fat to the steak. And as a lot of you know, the best steakhouses often serve butter with the steak. Makes it real special. Throws it on the grill. Yeah. And now throws on the ground beef. Whoa, this is gonna be good. Now take a look at that. Look at those grill marks. Yeah, the butter helps get that, right? See that? Then he's gonna sear the sides. Why not? You're living good with just you and Mother Nature. Martha's not gonna like this. Lord have mercy. Now, he's gonna grill those green onions, and while he's doing that, I'm gonna slice up some cheese. Look at that. All right, the green onions have been grilled. Chop them up, because it's time to put together the sub sandwich. So, you want to melt the cheese down just a little bit, right? So the best way to do that is get yourself a cast iron pan, throw in a little bit of water to steam it, to help melt that cheese. Don't take long. Now let's put it together. Handzee's got some fresh cucumber, loads on the grilled ground beef with melted cheese, scallion or green onion, and look at the steak. Nice thin slices, medium rare, and this is what you got. Woo-wee. And of course, Handzee is not apologizing for eating in front of you like this, but he's not apologizing to the turkeys either. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.